Welcome to ODAWA World Environmental Institute. We are dedicated to restoring the Earth and empowering future generations. Let's begin with our core guiding principles, our vision and mission. Our tagline, Restoring the Earth, Empowering Generations, summarizes our commitment to both environmental repair and generational impact. Our vision is to become a global leader in environmental transformation, advancing sustainable ecosystems, clean air solutions, and policy-driven change. Our mission is to design, implement, and scale impactful environmental programs that improve air quality, promote sustainability, and influence global policy for a healthier planet. To understand our solution, we must first address the urgent environmental challenges facing our world today. We face rising air pollution levels in both urban and rural regions, alongside the devastating impacts of climate change affecting communities and economies globally. Other critical problems include weak implementation of environmental policies and a lack of integrated environmental solutions across various sectors. ODAWA World offers a suite of integrated solutions designed to tackle these complex issues effectively. We deliver large-scale air purification programs for cities and industries, alongside environmental consultancy services offering advisory on sustainability and compliance for governments and corporations. We also focus on policy and program development to influence environmental legislation and build integrated environmental systems combining technology, research, and community engagement. Our work is structured around 5 core pillars, supported by a diverse range of essential services. Our core pillars include clean air initiatives, environmental policy and advocacy, and sustainability consulting, driving change at every level. Key services include environmental impact assessments, air quality monitoring systems, climate strategy consulting, and vital environmental education campaigns. The demand for environmental solutions is massive, presenting a significant opportunity. The global environmental services market is valued in the trillions, driven by increasing regulatory pressure and a growing demand for ESG solutions, particularly for air purification in urban areas. We target a diverse client base, including governments and municipalities, corporations, international organizations, and community groups. What makes ODAWA World stand out, and what are our ultimate goals? Our competitive advantage lies in providing integrated, end-to-end environmental solutions, focusing equally on policy formulation and practical, on-the-ground implementation. Our key impact goals are to improve air quality in major urban centers, support robust environmental policy implementation, empower communities, and reduce the global carbon footprint. We invite you to join us in this vital mission for a sustainable future. Partner with ODAWA World Environmental Institute to build a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. Invest in environmental transformation today.